Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to our first video. This is a new format we want to try. It's kind of a vlog where I'll be talking about the new and upcoming miniatures. I have a couple of them here. I'm gonna show them to you in just a second, but before that, I want to talk about the Patreon. We just hit our first goal and we're very grateful. That's awesome. We're just been running our Patreon for this is the second week, I believe, and we've received great support from you guys, and as I said, we're very grateful for that. It's just amazing. It's been amazing, and it's just gonna get better. So thank you for being here, and thank you for supporting us. And yep, so let's talk about the cook, which is this little guy here. This is already available, as you guys know, on our Patreon folder, the monthly archive, and it's been one of the favorites. This model was made by Mauricio, and he's the other modeler you have not met. He doesn't live very close to us, so that's why he's not currently on the videos, but he'll be soon. And he's an extraordinary sculptor and modeler. So yeah, he did the cook, and this is our, as I said, this has been one of the favorites from this month. Now, as for the miniatures coming next month, I have in here a druid also made by him. This is just a test print. As you can see, there's a little bit of stringing. That's normal. That's part of the process. This is not the final print. It's also not the best quality. We try to print fast just to see if the model holds up, how all the details look, and so far it prints very easily. Just a couple of supports for the arms, and that's it. Other than that, it just printed out great. So this is coming out on December for you guys, as well as other miniatures. As you know, the ones you voted, most of them are already either on the works or finished, and we're test printing, just correcting those final details to make them easy to print. And yeah, I'm stoked. I can't wait to show them to you. Some of them will be a surprise because we've been working on a couple of miniatures that we're not ready to talk about, but don't worry, it's almost December, and you'll get all of them on the 1st of December. All right. We've also had a few ideas of what we want to create for the next month. Of course, we'll run a poll, and we're gonna give some ideas as well. So we'll see how December goes. And I also want to talk about the totems. We've also started this week. Last night actually was our first live stream. We were sculpting the totems for December. We will be sculpting most of that piece, or those pieces, because it's gonna be a set of 3 totems that stack on each other, and most of it is gonna be modeled live on our YouTube live stream. So make sure to check that. If you cannot make it to the live stream, well, there's the recorded sessions also on our YouTube, so you can go check that. And yeah, what do you think about this format? Do you like this kind of videos? I'd rather do this than write it all or type it onto a post on Patreon. So just let us know what you think. You can use the comment section. You can use the Discord. For all of you guys who are not on our Discord server, please come join. I'll have the link on the description, and just come have a good time. Obviously, if you're not a patron, you won't have access to all the channels and all the perks that patrons have. But if you do want to get all those perks and be able to download all of this to print on your own printer, check out our Patreon. Yep. So I think that's it for today. We've been so happy that you're liking everything that we're doing. So thank you again. Thanks for being here and being part of this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.